Hello students, myself Mrs. Sabina Pathan welcomes you all to my YouTube channel SVP class. Dear students, in the earlier video we have studied in detail meaning and definition of coordination function of management. Now in this video we will study how coordination is one of the important function of management. So, do watch the entire video to understand the topic precisely, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. Dear students, before beginning with the importance of coordinating, I would like to give a small recap of meaning of coordinating. It is the fifth function, or we can say it is the fifth step in the process of management. Coordination is the act of arranging, putting things in a order or making things run smoothly together. So, to achieve the organizational goal efficiently, there is a need of coordination at all levels of management, that is top level, middle level and lower level. As we have already discussed this part in detail, so do watch the earlier video students. I have shared a link in the description box. Just click on the link and watch the video for complete understanding of the meaning and definition of coordination function of management. Now let us study the importance of coordinating. Now there are some points which gives us importance of coordinating. First one is encourages team spirit, gives proper direction, facilitates motivation, optimum utilization of resources, achieve organizational objective, improves relation, leads to higher efficiency, improves goodwill, unity of direction and specialization. Now we will discuss all the 10 points in detail. First point is encourage team spirit. In organizations, group of individuals work together. There may be existence of conflicts, disputes between individuals, departments, employer and employee regarding organizational policies, roles, responsibilities, etc. Coordination arranges the work in such a way that minimum conflicts are raised that increase the team spirit at workplace. Dear students, as we all know, there are so many employees work together in an organization from top level to lower level. So there might be a possibility of disputes and quarrels between them regarding division of work or any other issues. But if there is proper coordination between all the employees and if there is proper distribution of work as per the skill and expertise of employee, that will help to reduce conflicts and bring team spirit among them. Second point is gives proper direction. Coordination integrates departmental activities for achieving common goal of the organization. The work is arranged in a very systematic way. The interdependence of departments gives proper direction to the employees. Here, in an organization, every department or employee must have one and the same goal, and they should work together to achieve the same by arranging the work systematically. So proper coordination brings all the employees and department together to achieve the common goal of the organization. Third point is facilitates motivation. It motivates the employees to take initiative while completing their assigned task. An effective coordination increases efficiency and results into growth and prosperity of the organization. A prosperous organization ensures job security, higher income, promotion, and incentives. Such monetary and non monetary incentives provide job security and motivate the employees for hard work. Here, coordination always motivate employees to take initiative or to come up with new or innovative ideas to perform a given task in a more systematic way. Before, because of coordination, people interact with each other. They get to see the work of other department and it creates healthy competition between departments. So everyone work more efficiently in the organization. Fourth point is optimum utilization of resources. Managers try to integrate all the resources systematically, which helps in utilizing all available resources at its optimum level. Coordination also helps to minimize the wastage of resources and control the cost of work. Here, there must be proper use of available resources. Manager should bring all the resources like men, money, material, machinery, etc. All the resources should bring together and also see that there should be minimum wastages and maximum output. This is possible with the help of coordination. Fifth point is achieve organizational objective. Coordination leads to minimize the wastage of materials, idle time of employees, delay in completion of targets, departmental disputes, etc. to a great extent. It ensures smooth working of the organization in the process of achieving the objectives of the organization. Very simple point, students. As coordination is the combined effort of all the employees working in the organization, it ensures smooth flow of work and goals can be achieved easily. Sixth point is improves relation. Coordination develops cordial relation between all the levels of management of an organization. It means coordination brings friendly atmosphere in the organization at all levels, top, middle and lower level. Every department depends on functioning of other department. For example, sales department works according to production department. Production department depends on purchase department and so on. So here, since all the department depends on the functioning of other department, coordination among them is necessary to achieve the targets. Seventh point is leads to higher efficiency. With the help of optimum utilization of resources and effective integration of resources, the organization can achieve high returns in terms of high productivity, high profitability as well as can reduce the cost. Thus, coordination leads to higher efficiency. Now here, coordination motivate the employees to perform more better without any wastages of resources. It also brings all the department together, which brings competition among themselves, which all in return company get maximum output and higher profit as well. Therefore, coordination it always leads to higher efficiency. Eighth point is improves goodwill. Higher sales and higher profitability can be achieved due to synchronized effort of organizational people, strong human relations and lower cost. It directly results into creating goodwill for organization in the market. It reflects on market value of shares as well as it helps in building good image in society. Here, coordination, bringing all the employees together, everyone has the common goal and they are performing more better to bring desired result. Employees' higher efficiency level leads to higher sales and profitability as well as which help to improve goodwill and reputation of the organization in the market, and the organization will lead in a modern competitive business world. Next point is unity of direction. Different activities are performed by different departments. Coordination harmonizes these activities for achieving common goal of organization. Thus, coordination gives proper direction to all departments of the organization. Here, coordination brings unity in the organization and gives proper direction so that goals can be achieved easily. And last point is specialization. All departments of the organization are headed by experts in their respective field. The specialized knowledge of these departmental heads helps in managerial decisions. It leads organization to march towards growth and success in the competitive world of business. Here, coordination also brings specialization because organization is headed by experts in the respective field. So there might be less chances of errors. The expert person in the organization also helps in taking right decision for the growth and success of the organization. Dear students, here we are ending with coordination function of management. I hope you all are cleared with it. I have prepared a small questionnaire on this topic. You just have to click on the description box. You will get the link over there, solve the question and get the immediate result of it. Dear students, do support this educational channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel SVP Class. Thank you for watching and stay connected with me for more videos.